teachers like myself who this was supposed to be an adventure, and we were supposed to pop down to Texas just so that we had lived somewhere else. And within a couple months, my bosses felt like family, my colleagues felt like family, my students felt like family. And when you feel like family, you know that your kid is going to walk into the best possible environment because they're going to be taken care of like they're our child. It's not about what's easiest. It's not about what I have to do when I get home. It's about in this moment, every minute, every student, every day, how am I gonna make sure I'm at my absolute best so the kids can be at their absolute best?
Whether you're a new student to the community, a new employee in the East Central District, a new board member sitting on the dais, welcome to the family.